Hello everyone, it's me Cheppy from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to get alert for full battery and low battery in Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open any web browser and in the Google search for one application named as Battery Alert by Bobshop. On the first list, you'll see its official website. Just click on it. Now just click on this download option. Now you'll see here installer and portable. So I'm gonna download the portable version. Click on start download. So finally the file has been downloaded, so let me go to the folder where it's being downloaded and let me close this web browser. Now just double click it to extract the zip file. Now just open the extracted folder. Now we'll see the first file is the application. Just double click on it. Now you can see this kind of user interface, and below you can see here full battery and low battery. So you can adjust the battery percentage where you want to set. So I will set it to 100% right now, and I will keep the low battery mode in the 10% and just enable both the options. So now you can see the status also fully charged. Now let me close it. Now you can see here I'm getting a alert for full battery, as you can see. So using this cool application named as Battery Alert, you can easily get alert for full battery and low battery in Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.